Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on using the gas and the brake pedals. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of using these two important pedals in an automatic car. Now let's get right to it. As you can see, once again, there are two pedals. I'm going to start off by showing you the pedal area, and then I'm going to mount the camera on the window, and then I'm going to give you some more tips as I'm using the pedals and sort of demonstrating some of the exercises for you. So first and foremost, this pedal right here on the right is the gas pedal. As you can see, it's sort of taller, okay? And the pedal here on the left is the brake pedal. It's sort of wider. Now, the gas pedal or the accelerator pedal, you can sort of refer to it as both names. This pedal over here is used to actually make the car move, whether you are in reverse or drive, and it's also used to rev the engine if you're in park or neutral. So right now I'm in park, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push the gas pedal, and you'll hear the engine just rev a little bit. All right. Now the pedal here to the left is actually used to stop the car, to slow the car down and bring it to a stop. It is the brake pedal, and it's used to slow the car down, like I said, and make sure that you stop effectively. So this one basically makes it go, and this one makes it stop. That's the easiest way to remember it. Now, as you can see, I'm operating both pedals with my right foot. That's the correct way to operate an automatic car with the pedals. You want to only be using your right foot. Now, what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to take this camera. I'm actually just going to put it over here. As you can see, I'm right over here. I'm going to place it on this window right over here. Let's get the screen so that I can see myself. And then I'm going to give you some additional tips for using the gas and the brake pedal. So the reason that you only use your right foot when you're using the gas pedal or the brake pedal is simply because if you use your right and left foot, let's say you press the gas with your right foot and you press the brake with your left foot. While you're pressing the gas with your right foot, sometimes your left foot might be resting on the brake pedal. And what that means is that you're accelerating and you're also pressing the brakes slightly, which is going to put a lot of extra wear and tear on the brakes and the various components of the car. It's just not the right way to do it. And also, you'll be accelerating and your brake lights will be on behind you. So the person behind you thinks you're braking, but you're actually accelerating. So that's why you only use one foot, your right foot, to operate the gas and the brake pedals. Now, with regards to how to do it effectively. Now, when you're first learning how to drive, you're probably going to drive and it's probably going to be really rough getting the car going and braking, simply because you don't know how to predict how much to use the gas or the brake pedal. So I'm going to demonstrate. When you're first learning how to drive, I'm going to put the car in drive, make sure that we're clear to actually move, okay? When you're first learning how to drive, you might actually push the gas like that, and it might sort of throw you back, and then you might push the brake really hard, it might throw you forward when you're learning how to drive. And the key to using the gas and the brake pedals effectively and smoothly is to ease into them. So right now, I'm gonna press the gas, and what I'm doing is I'm easing into it. So I'm slowly pressing it, and then when I get to the acceleration that I like, I'm gonna just hold it there. You don't wanna slowly press it and just keep pressing it. Slowly press it, and as soon as you get that acceleration that you want, that you desire, then you're gonna hold it there. So I'm gonna do it right now, okay? Slowly pressing the gas pedal. This is the acceleration that I want, so I'm gonna hold it here. Now as I brake, I'm slowly pressing the brake pedal, and I want to come to a complete stop, so I'm just going to apply a little bit more pressure and hold it there. So the same thing goes with the brake. Watch, I'll move forward again over here, and when I want to stop, like right now, I'm going to press the brake pedal a little bit more, and I'm holding it there now. And the car comes to a stop. Now what that is that's actually your estimation for your control of your gas and your brake pedal. So you want to develop some good predictability or some estimation skills for using the gas and the brake pedal. Because what that is going to do is that's going to allow you to not only drive safely, but smoothly. Now, let's go over one thing, especially when you're pressing the brake pedal. Your main concern when you're pressing the brake pedal is stopping on time. You don't want to get into an accident. You want to stop on time. So with that being said, you know, it's important to make sure that you brake as hard as you need to brake to stop on time. But with regards to smoothness, you want to ease into that brake pedal. If you're easing into it and you realize, oh wow, I have to push the brake pedal hard, push that brake pedal hard, stop on time. That is your number one priority. But with regards to learning how to estimate and predict, I would recommend that you ease into it, and I would recommend that you start in the parking lot and you do some simple exercises like this. So you put the car in drive, focus on drive, not really reverse at the beginning. You want to ease into the gas pedal and then ease into the brake pedal. So what I'm going to do now is I'm easing into the gas pedal, and then I'm easing into the brake pedal. Just like that. Beautiful, smooth start, smooth stop. Ease into the gas pedal, ease into the brake pedal. Now I'm going to do it while I'm turning. Ease into the gas pedal, ease into the brake pedal. Now what you can do is you can continue doing this, and when you're braking, you can set some guidelines. Now I wouldn't recommend practicing braking before a wall, let's say, because if you don't brake on time, if you're just learning how to drive and you don't brake on time, you might hit the wall. So I would say practice braking before a line or a milestone, like before a fence post. Let's say in line with a fence post, you want to brake before the imaginary line of that fence post. You want to practice using the gas pedal, using the brake pedal. The more that you practice, the better that you'll be. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.